Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how to start streaming in OBS Studio. So let's get started. First, we have our scenes, we have our sources, we have everything already set up. So let's start streaming. First, we need to adjust some settings. First, go to advanced and scroll down until you see this automatically reconnect. Enable this one, and on this one, network, I want you to enable this dynamically change bitrate and enable network optimization. Enable both of them. So if you have a bad internet and your speed is not enough, OBS is going to decrease the bitrate automatically so that you don't skip any frames. If you don't enable this option, it's going to be laggy and skipping a lot of frames. This way it's going to be a lower quality, but it will be a steady, stable streaming, which is better than having any lags and skipping in the middle. On our video output, we have base canvas resolution and output. You can downscale it if you want, like you can record in 1080p and stream to 720p if you want. Go to output, streaming, select your encoder from here, hardware encoder, select your bitrate. You can select your bitrate according to the streaming platform. So let's say for example YouTube, streaming, bitrate, settings, YouTube bitrate streaming settings. What is the bitrate needed for 1080p streaming? 3.5 to 6K. So make it like this, or if you want to stream 720p for example, 720p, it says about 4.5 megabytes. Change it according to your internet speed and your platform. So after you adjust all these settings in your OBS Studio, after you are finished with your output settings, and go to stream. Now what we want here is having a stream key. A stream key is like a code for your stream. Anyone has this stream key can use it, stream using OBS Studio. This code needs to be secret. So how to get it? Go to your YouTube or Twitch. You go to your YouTube and go to create, click on go live. From here you will find this stream key. Copy it, go to your OBS settings, stream, select from here YouTube, select use stream key, paste it in here, apply and OK. Now just click on start streaming and wait for a few seconds and you will find yourself live on YouTube. Okay, as you can see, now we are live on YouTube and it's streaming this scene. So I'm going to stop for now because of lag. Okay, as you can see, it went live. So how to get stream key from Twitch? You go to your Twitch, go to creator dashboard, go to settings, stream, and you'll find primary stream key in here. Copy it, go to OBS, settings, change stream, change it from YouTube to Twitch, use stream key, paste, apply. Okay, let's start streaming, and you are going to start streaming on Twitch just like the same way. So as you can see, you can start recording and streaming at the same time if you want. Right now I'm going to stop this streaming. So now you have a basic idea on how to start streaming. In the next videos, in the plugins section, I'm going to talk about how to start vertical streaming and multi-streaming on multiple platforms. So everyone, that was how to start streaming in OBS Studio. See you in the next video.